in space.
The balance between NASA and SpaceX and the balance of the space industry, the balance of the Force even, is in flux right now. But I saw some great things this week in the balance for NASA and SpaceX to come together to work towards the goal of allowing America to launch American astronauts from American soil again. We haven't done that since 2011, since the space shuttle, and since we retired it. And so I believe, and we've talked about this in the podcast before, there's a previous episode you can go back to, NASA and SpaceX, the balance. It's that we need to find a way to get back to that. So before we talked about how it would be fantastic if NASA and SpaceX, that are these two organizations, two individuals, that need to find a way to work together for us to have the best future. We're seeing a lot of that right now, that it's actually starting to happen. There's things that are coming to fruition. So Jim Bridenstine went to SpaceX headquarters in Hawthorne, California on Thursday and met, and there's a few things I want to touch on that he talked about that I think are just important for you to know, so you can see where the mindset is of NASA and to see where we're seeing some compromise and we're seeing teamwork. We're seeing them work together, which is what we need for these next stages, especially for the Commercial Crew Program, which will allow us to launch our own astronauts to the International Space Station with our own spacecraft and rockets. And then the next step of Artemis 2024, which is going to the moon, sending the first woman and next man to land on the surface of the moon.